Yes, there are typically requirements for the size, length, and depth of bollards in front of customer-owned transformers and outdoor pad-mount electrical panels. These requirements vary depending on the local electrical code and the utility company's specifications. Bollards should be made of durable, non-corrosive materials such as steel or concrete. They should be anchored securely to the ground or to a concrete pad. Bollards should be painted with a high visibility color such as yellow or red to make them easily visible. Bollards should be at least 4 inches in diameter and 36 inches high. They should be spaced no more than 6 feet apart. Bollards should be embedded at least 24 inches into the ground or concrete pad. In addition to the general requirements, some utility companies may have specific requirements for the size, length, and depth of bollards. National Grid requires bollards to be 4 inches in diameter, 36 inches high, and embedded at least 24 inches into the ground. Southern California Edison requires bollards to be 6 inches in diameter, 48 inches high, and embedded at least 36 inches into the concrete pad. It is important to check with your local utility company to determine their specific requirements for bollards in front of customer-owned transformers and outdoor pad-mount electrical panels.